Okay, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we are going to solve another question on EMFT. Okay, given the question says given the points M 0.1, negative 0.2, negative 0.1, N negative 0.2, 0.1, 0.3, and P 0.4, 0.1. We are supposed to find our vector RMN. And our vector RMN is vector N minus vector M. And this is our N is negative 0. Taking the AX component, negative 0.2 minus 0.1, all that AX plus, we have 0.1 for the Y component, minus 0.2, that is going to be plus 0.2, all that AY plus 0.3 minus 0.1, that's 0.3 plus 0.1, all that is. So now in total we get negative 0.3 AX plus 0.3 AY plus 0.4 is, and that is our vector. So with our B is telling us to find the dot product of RMN and RMP. Okay, so now we know RMN, but let's find our RMP before we can find RMP is just going to be the P minus M. So let's go P 0.4 minus M 0.1, or that AX plus 0 and 0 minus 0.2, so plus 0.2, or that AY plus 0.1 minus 0.1, that's plus 0.1, or is, so we have 0.3 AX plus 0.2 AY plus 0.2 is. Okay, so now we've been able to write our RMP, hence we can find RMN dot RMP, which is equal to what? Negative 0.3 AX plus 0.3 AY plus 0.4 is dotting 0.3 AX plus 0.2 AY plus 0.2 is. Okay, so when we do our dot product, you will get negative 0.09 plus 0.06 plus 0.08, and our final value is going to be 0.05. Hence the dot product is equal to 0.05. Okay, so now we move on to our C, the scalar projection. So the scalar projection of RMN on RMP. Okay, so the scalar projection of RMN and RMP is the same as RMN dot RMP all over the magnitude of RMP. So when we found our RMN dot RMP, we had 0.05, and the magnitude of RMP, that is square root of what? What's our RMP? Go back to check our RMP. RMP is 0.3, 0.2, 0.2. So 0.3 squared plus 0.2 squared plus 0.2 squared. And we'll get our final answer to be 0.12. And that is our scalar projection. And now we want to finish up with our D. The angle between our RMN and RMP. So we can use our dot product, that is RMN dot RMP is equal to RMN magnitude multiplying RMP magnitude, or that what cos theta. So my theta is equal to cos inverse all over what? RMN dot RMP all over what? The magnitude of RMN RMP. Okay. So the cos inverse of RMN dot RMP, we found that to be 0.05, and the magnitude of RMP, we get root, RMN is root of 34, that and RMP is root of 17. Then the theta angle is going to give you approximately 78 degrees, and we are done.